Lei hong ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. If you're new to my channel, that just means how's it going in Cantonese. We are at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. It's absolutely incredible to see that this channel gets over 3,000 views every 48 hours and about 40,000 plus views every month and 1.2 million lifetime watch minutes. And one of the big inspirations for creating my recent vegan ramen cookbook is because of the incredible engagement from this channel. I definitely read and I do my very best to reply to every single comment on my channel. And these are some recent highlights. I'm no chef, but I've been making ramen for quite some time now, looking at recipes from YouTube/books. I've even cooked my broth for hours, yet I could never achieve restaurant-grade ramen broth. Then I came across this recipe. It took me less than an hour to make the entire dish, and this is packed with flavor, the closest I've come to making a beautiful aromatic broth that reminded me of ramen I've eaten at good Japanese restaurants. Thank you for this recipe. Thank you for that comment. In less than 24 hours, my husband and I have made 2 of your soup recipes. We are obsessed. Thank you again for all these super easy to follow recipes. Thank you for commenting and for taking the time to engage on my channel. Just a quick update on the vegan ramen cookbook. We are in the final stages of pre-press, which is right before we undergo the actual print run for the book. And the printer has graciously sent me an example book, not the actual vegan ramen cookbook, but it will be using this type of paper, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I have also decided to spend a little bit more to upgrade the cover lamination on the book, and it feels really luxurious, which is just incredible. Thank you to everyone who has supported this project on Kickstarter and to make it actually possible to have this book printed. I will keep everyone posted on when this book will be available for purchase on my website after I start fulfilling the Kickstarter rewards. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode. The same but the priority is cover lamination of the book, and it feels incredibly